Hey, it's AKJK, and apart from my videos, what's filling your like feed on YouTube are setup tours. Amazing computers, $200 gaming keyboards, and ultrawide monitor galore. But are these ultrawide monitors worth it, or are they just a gimmick like 3D TVs? Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, the clock starts now. Oh yeah, that's Peter McKinnon's. Welcome to 2 Minute Tech, the clock starts now. But for the time being, my monitor of choice is the LG 29UC88. The name is crazy, I know, but anyway, let's carry on. So it's a curved 29-inch Ultra HD monitor with an IPS panel and is slightly over $500. If you do not know what an IPS panel, description. Now, I've been using this monitor since April of this year and I've loved it. Obviously, an ultrawide monitor like this one is not for everyone. In this video, hopefully you can make your decision on whether or not it is for you. So an ultrawide monitor can give you much more screen real estate without having a goddamn bezel in the middle of your setup. So I ran a poll on ultrawide versus a dual monitor setup. Yeah, the ultrawide setup got absolutely bashed. With the ultrawide setup holding 13% and the other one 87%, it is crazy. Honestly, my opinion is the ultrawide setup. I thought that's what more people would go for. Like for me, I really enjoy it. It gives me an enhanced editing experience where I can see the entire timeline. It also has dual monitor features where you can have split screen like there is right now. Now for like video editors and gamers, ultrawide is sort of what I would recommend. If you're a streamer, then dual monitor definitely. If you're primarily buying this for multitasking, then go for a dual monitor. And if you're a student, then really, you shouldn't be looking into any expensive monitors. Like, what are you doing with your time? Go study.
But aren't you a student as well, Ollie?
Shut up, Alexa. And just a quick disclaimer for gaming, if your games that you play don't support 21:9 aspect ratio, then don't go for an ultrawide. Now, speaking of 21:9 aspect ratio, that is really what defines an ultrawide monitor. So if you watch a lot of 21:9 videos and films, then yeah, ultrawide monitor is great. But if you're watching a lot of regular YouTube videos which are 16:9, then it's not going to look so good. And if you're watching those 16:9 videos with like cinematic black bars like what Peter McKinnon has in his B-roll sequences, then just take a look for yourself. That was a loud clap signaling the end of 2 minutes of tech goodness. So if you agree with that tech goodness statement, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this, and turn notifications so you're notified every time I post one of these. I highly recommend you add me on Snapchat at AKJKYT because I post a daily short vlog series there. All my other social media is in the description down below. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you again in tomorrow's episode because here at AKJK, the grind is daily. I just got sent a message that Coca-Cola are going to buy the entire Costa chain for £3.9 billion. Damn.